Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're going to show you how to rank your articles on Google search with our step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. Ranking your articles on Google is crucial for driving traffic to your site. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get there. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to find relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Quality content. Write in-depth, informative articles that provide value to your readers and address their queries. On-page SEO. Optimize your content with targeted keywords, meta tags, headers, and alt text for images. Internal linking. Link to other relevant articles on your site to keep visitors engaged and improve your site's structure. Backlinks. Build quality backlinks from reputable sites through guest posting, outreach, and content sharing. Mobile optimization. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly to cater to users on all devices. For more details on each step, check out the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.